Experiencing a slow or stuck transaction in your Bifrost wallet? This is usually due to low network fees during periods of high network congestion, but thankfully, Bifrost provides built-in tools to manage this. You can accelerate a pending transaction by submitting a replacement transaction with a higher fee. This is often done using a replace by fee (RBF) mechanism, which miners prioritize. Open your Bifrost wallet and go to your transaction history or activity list. Tap on the transaction that is currently pending and needs to be sped up. Look for the Speed Up button. It's typically colored blue. The wallet will prepare a new, identical transaction but with a higher network fee to encourage faster confirmation by the network validators or miners. Review the new, higher fee displayed on the confirmation screen. Remember, you'll need enough remaining balance to cover this new fee. Confirm the replacement transaction to broadcast it to the network. The original, slower transaction will now be replaced by this new, faster one. If you simply want to cancel a pending transaction and have the funds returned to your wallet, the process is similar to speeding up, but with a different purpose. Open your Bifrost wallet and navigate to the pending transaction in your history. Tap on the stuck transaction. Look for the Cancel button. This is usually colored red. The wallet will prepare a replacement transaction with a higher fee, just like a speed-up. However, this replacement transaction is designed to send the funds back to your own wallet address. By having a higher fee, this send-to-self transaction gets confirmed first, effectively making the original unconfirmed transaction invalid and canceling it. Review the additional fee required for the cancellation. Confirm the cancellation request to broadcast the replacement transaction. Once confirmed, the original transaction is canceled and your funds are available again. Always check the status of your transaction on a blockchain explorer before attempting to speed up or cancel. These options are only available if the original transaction has not yet been confirmed and is still pending in the mempool. For a visual guide on using these features within your wallet, check out this video on managing stuck transactions.